Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'll show you how you can use the Twitter web part in a modern SharePoint page. So I'm now on a communication site, and actually I would like to go to Twitter to choose which channel I want to choose. So actually I have somebody I follow, and his name is Greg Zelfom from SharePoint Maven, and actually I want to take all of his posts and put it in Twitter so I can see it. So all I need to do is just to copy this part, or I can take the URL. Now what I need to do is the following. I'll edit the page, and I will click the plus button and look for Twitter. Twitter part is here, and I will paste the hashtag of Greg Zelfon, and actually I can have some settings. I can choose if to show the Twitter header, I could show a divider, and I could choose if it will be a dark or light. Now I can choose the number of tweets I want to see. All I need to do is to click the X, and I need to publish. And each time there's a new post, then I will see it, and all of the colleagues that visit this page or our members will see. Now I'm now in my user. I'll go to another user. His name is Alex. He will refresh the page. He maybe doesn't have a Twitter account, but now he can see actually the post, and it will be updated each time 3 items. Now what can be done also is to change how the web part appears. Currently you see there's 1/3 on the right, and the rest has something else. So if I edit the section, you see I can change it to have 3 columns, and then it looks narrower. I could have 2 columns, and then each one has a wider, and I can make it 1 column. And now if I do this, the whole Twitter web part will take the whole page, and actually I can see everything much larger. So this is the whole story. Try it and test it, and hope you enjoy it. If you like my channel, subscribe. Goodbye.